Motorcycle Rosso.
Ladies and gentlemen, what we got here? We got a famous scooter. This is Honda PCX 125 cubics. Also this moto scooter is existing and in 150 cubics and is a little bit more powerful. It's a nice scooter, but it's a kind of scooter that got no space down of your leg, so there is no carpet on it. It's a very well equipped, it's got a nice clocks, and for a reason that I don't understand, the windscreen is not the best possible, so it's not protect you a lot. But anyway, what you see the time that you are on it is lovely, because you got the feeling of a motorcycle, okay? You got a lot of space for your legs, okay? You got a nice seat and you got a place for the second rider that is also can sit here. Please, Georgia, come. I have a good view back, everything is in a correct position and Georgia feels comfortable. Yes?
It's a very super seat, so, and very nice handles here.
It's a comfortable scooter for two riders. Georgia,
yes,
go!
I'm going.
Also we got in this scooter a single stand, we got a double stand, and of course it's keyless. So the key, it's here, so I don't forget them. This is a nice locker that you just do it like this and opens. Also, if I will open a little bit the key, then I can open the seat. You see, nice and easy. It's got a place at least for one full face helmet and something more, maybe a jet helmet. Also, I have here the fuel. Everything is open, very delicate and in very good quality. And also, because it's keyless, I can start it like this. Start and stop and etc. So, this is a comfortable scooter for two riders and with a space inside for inside the city. Also, these handles also can help to put a top box and have even more space. This one is got also ABS, anti-spin and all those systems. Ooh, Hollywood, take a look, everything you need. Clock, kilometer counter, fuel counter, average consumption, total kilometer counter, daily kilometer counter, a lot of blick, and the most important, flashlight blinkers out of space. Yeah, love it. Yeah. I feel comfortable. I have a good view back. Everything is in correct position. The engine is not making noise, and let's go. Let's see now if we can change easily directions, because this is important. Yeah, it's easily cornering and change direction. And let's now do the brakes. The brakes are more than okay. So finally, I am very positive in this motorcycle. Engine, 4-stroke, ESP, water cool, nice, trustful and economical engine. Of course, you are not gonna be put fire on street, because it's just a scooter of 125 cubics and it's Euro 5 and etc. But it's a trustful engine and very economical. And all the weight of this motorcycle, full of liquids, it's 130 kilos. What we have here, this is a typical Japanese face. We got all those lights here, and the truth is that this motorcycle scooter looks as a bigger scooter than it is. Now, we got a Nissin pump, and also we got 2-piston caliber piston brake, also made by Nissin, and ABS. The brakes are excellent. This motorcycle scooter is braking very good. Also back we got a drum that of course is not you can lock it, it's not with ABS, but it's a good drum anyway. So then you ride this scooter, you feel safe. Quality. What I can say about quality? If you press and it's opening like this, if you do that, or if you do that, you understand the quality of the product. It's a high quality product. And anyway, typical, those plastics are very soft. And the truth is that you cannot break them. It's an excellent quality motorcycle. Ladies and gentlemen, finally, the only thing that stops this motorcycle scooter is the engine that is only 125 cubics, and those cubics they will give you inside the city and beat around of it. But is cornering nice, is braking excellent, and the quality is even more than excellent. The design is not something that I like, but because it's existing so many years, that means that there is a lot of you that like this design. So if I am positive in this scooter, yes I am. Quite clear, yes I am. Economically and trustful and safe move for two persons inside the city. Georgia, what is your opinion?
The same, exactly. Very nice. I like the design. I like the design. It's a little bit of attack. I like it. But it's attack, but it's 125. How can you attack with this?
125 cubics.
Inside the city, it's fantastic. It looks expensive. It's cornering good.
It is expensive also. It's not only looks, it is expensive also.
And I feel very safe on it.
So, this is Ioannis and Georgia for Kokina Fengargia Motorcycle Rock Show. Thanks for watching us.
Δεν θα πεις πείμα.
Πείμα. Τι θες να πω,
Do you
να πω
want
ένα ποίημα?
Poetry.
Στο Φοίνικα εκάθισα, λιγάκι παρακάτω, περίμενα και πέρασε ένα ξανθό νάκι.
Μα δεν
Το
πάει.
κοίταξα στα πόδια του, το κοίταξα που είχε μια χάρη και ευθύς αμέσως μου ήρθε, να μην το πω δεν κάνει.
Να το κοιτάς με χάρη.
Να το κοιτώ με χάρη. Αυτό ήθελα να πω. Αυτό.
Κόκκινα φεγγάρια, motorcycle, rosso.
The tank is in perfect condition.